Are we out of coffee?
Yeah.
How can I be a YouTuber with no coffee? What's going on, everyone? I'm Brandon Wilson. Welcome to the channel. Today is December 1st. In the YouTube world, that typically means Vlogmas for daily vloggers, things like that. 30 days of posting every single day. Vlogmas episode number 1. Today I want to show you guys how I deliver videos to clients. I've been doing online galleries, and that's going to be through a company called VidFlow. VidFlow is a really simple online platform that you can use. You can give, backgrounds, you can give thumbnails and individualized videos. If they have multiple videos, you can make selections to do delivery services that way. And VidFlow is pretty cheap. It's like $7.50 for like 5 gigabytes per gallery. You can do a yearly subscription, and overall I feel like it's just a nice look. You can select your backgrounds, you can select the thumbnails, and overall do it for a pretty cheap price point. VidFlow is the way to go. I highly recommend it, so check it out. And that's gonna do it for today's video. We will see you tomorrow.
Bye. Hello.
Home from school with Pink Eye?
Yeah. What'd you get?
As the dog's fucking running around, it's chaos in this house.